All right, guys, so we have the old EOS lip over here next to the new one. As you can see, they both reuse stock hardware locations. The new one is much larger here at these front key points, and it's way bigger out here in the corners. We're at 10.5 inches out here and 6.5 here, so it's a whole 4 inches deeper in the corners. And we've got the side winglets to go on the end too to add to the look. Let's get this on the car. It's gonna look great.
All right, guys. As you can imagine, there's not much to putting on one of these front splitters, mostly because it uses the factory hardware just like Greg said. That's right, these 7mm bolts will get reused again to hold this splitter in place, as well as the 3M mounting tape it comes with, and it also comes with some rivets and some sheet metal screws, so you can decide how you want to anchor the splitter into place. So we've got some of the backing off of that mounting tape, and we're going to put the splitter up into place and start putting the screws in.
All right, guys, now that we have all the stock hardware in place, we're gonna send some self-tappers in.
All right, guys, now that Greg has this front splitter firmly in place, and I will say this is some good quality. I can tell you right now that the paint finish looks great. It matches the factory paint, and now it's time to do the fun job, and that's put these side winglets on. And we're going to use the provided hardware here, and they thread in just like this. Super easy, you guys. It's a 4mm Allen key. All right, you guys, now that we've got this ZR1 front splitter in place, there's nothing left to do but to get this car down on the ground and see what it looks like. Let's get to it.